Ever stop to think? What gives your shampoo that rich, bubbly foam? What makes a cake rise light and fluffy in the oven? Or how a tiny pill knows exactly how to heal your body? And what about the phone in your hand, powered by a battery, or the crops in the field, thriving thanks to fertilizers? Behind all of this is chemistry. Not just a school subject, but science is working silently behind the scenes in your kitchen, your gadgets, your garden, even your body. Chemistry is the thread that connects the everyday with the extraordinary. Chemistry is often called the central science, and for good reason. It forms the vital link between physics and biology, medicine and materials science, agriculture and engineering. From the way proteins fold deep within your cells to the creation of cutting-edge materials for spacecraft. Chemistry is what ties it all together. It's the bridge between the invisible world of atoms and the extraordinary complexity of life. The silent force connecting physical laws with biological function. As your textbook rightly highlights, chemistry plays a pivotal role in every sphere of life. In industry, it drives the creation of fertilizers, acids, soaps, dyes, and polymers, materials we rely on every day. In medicine, it's the force behind life-saving drugs like cisplatin, Taxol, and Azeti, treatments that fight cancer and AIDS. In agriculture, chemistry boosts crop yields through more effective pesticides and insecticides. And in our environment, it helps us develop eco-friendly refrigerants while unraveling the science of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. From the food on your plate to the clothes you wear, from the fuel in your car to the medicine in your cabinet. Chemistry is everywhere. It's not just a science, it's a silent partner in the progress of life. Let's take something familiar, baking a cake. That fluffy rice? It's not just heat, it's chemistry. Inside the batter is baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. As the oven heats up, it breaks down, sodium hydrogen carbonate decomposes to form sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide released gets trapped in the batter, forming bubbles, and that's what makes the cake rise. From the texture you feel to the taste you enjoy, every transformation in your oven is a chemical reaction at work. It's not magic. It's molecular science deliciously disguised as dessert. Chemistry isn't just science, it's an economic powerhouse. From manufacturing essential materials to building modern infrastructure, chemical industries fuel national progress. They generate employment, power countless sectors, and enable innovations that shape our world. New-age materials like optical fibers, superconductors, and conducting polymers are transforming technology thanks to breakthroughs in chemistry. And as India's economy expands, it leans heavily on applied chemical research to solve problems, spark innovation, and stay competitive on the global stage. Chemistry doesn't just build the world, it helps heal it. It also stands at the front lines of some of our biggest environmental challenges. Remember CFCs, once common in refrigerators? They triggered ozone depletion, but it was chemical research that led to safer, ozone-friendly alternatives. Today, chemists are tackling even bigger issues: climate change, plastic pollution, the need for clean, renewable energy. They're developing solutions like biodegradable plastics and hydrogen fuel. This movement is known as green chemistry, the science of designing processes that minimize or eliminate hazardous substances before they ever reach the environment. Because sustainability starts at the molecular level. Think of medicines you've taken: paracetamol, antibiotics, or powerful cancer drugs like Taxol. They aren't just miracles of medicine, they're masterpieces of chemistry. Behind every pill is a team of chemists, studying how molecules interact with the body, designing treatments that heal with precision. Through biochemistry and medicinal chemistry, we decode diseases at the molecular level and build targeted therapies that save lives. From vaccines to vitamins, from prevention to cure, chemistry is the heartbeat of modern medicine. So, why study chemistry? Because it teaches us more than reactions and equations. It teaches us to think critically, observe closely, and solve problems that truly matter. It opens doors to diverse fields like pharmacy, forensics, environmental science, nanotechnology, and cutting-edge research. Whether you dream of becoming a scientist, a doctor, an engineer, or you're simply curious about how the world works, chemistry equips you with the language of matter and the power to transform it. Because when you understand chemistry, you don't just learn about the world, you learn how to change it.